India, a country of 1.3 billion people, the home to the vibrant and richest cultures of the world. India, one of the world's vibrant and fast expanding economy. But the adulteration and contamination still poses a constant challenge. Every day, millions of health are at risk unknowingly drinking water that contains excess of fluoride and arsenic. The soils that anchors roots and hosts nutrients are often ending up as nutrition deficit to plants. The food produced and consumed may be quality compromised by the way of adulteration or contamination. The houses that give shelter are seen collapsing out of the blue. The quality of metals and minerals are jeopardized with each passing day due to greediness of commerce. Over 68% of these problems adversely affect the living population of the country. We realize the difficulty but often aimlessly fumble for solution. In order to check the quality of those products we consume domestically or industrially, testing is paramount. But where can we go for quality testing? Where can we check the purity? Welcome to Sadhguru Research and Analysis Laboratory. SRAL, trusted place for your analytical and quality control solutions. A rapidly growing testing laboratory providing laboratory services in the field of water, soil, food, concrete and building, ores and minerals, industrial chemicals, coal and coke, metals, seed lac and shellac, oils, including edible and petrochemical in the private sector in India. SRAL follows a well-structured quality assurance and quality management by customized chemical analysis and quality testing. SRAL is a registered laboratory under MSME scheme of Government of India. Sadhguru Research and Analysis Laboratory is a distinguished testing center located in Kolkata, India. We have progressively established a research and development center backed with 20 years experience of our parent company Akshar Exim Company Private Limited. SRAL is a dream project of our MD, Mr. Praveen Agrawal. SRAL is the result of his vision, dedication and immense hard work. We strongly believe that benchmarking the quality for any product has no end. Therefore, for continual development of products, the scope of research and development is always there. SRAL equipped with range of sophisticated analytical instruments and is hosted in an updated infrastructure. Our research laboratory is an extensively built with technologically superior instruments handled by well-qualified and experienced senior chemists. SRAL is operated by a vibrant, motivated team of talented young chemists and experienced professionals including engineers, chemists, metallurgists and technicians under the guidance and direction of the senior scientists.
SRAL is created with a target to serve the MSME and small industries for their quality requirements. We perform quality control of their raw materials, finished products, and specific test which is tailor-made for the industry to suit their requirements. Here we analyze food material like turmeric, mustard oil based on the FSAI standards for any contamination and its quality issues. We also test water based on the APHA method, BSI and as well as ASTM methods to ascertain the content of the water, suitability for drinking, microbial contamination, to assess its suitability for drinking purpose. We also serve the MSME sector with the analysis of their raw materials like furnace oil, mineral oils, transformer oil, as well as the industrial minerals, ores and other finished products of MSME sector. To enable them with the quality services, we proud to be a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat to make in India and make it quality wise.
We value our customers and assure them quality services, technical support, and reliable results. SRAL takes care of your analytical and consultancy needs. We assure you that you will find our pricing is reasonable and the value for your money is assured. We also provide sample pickup facility at your convenient office or institute anywhere in India. We at SRAL committed to serve our clients passionately with competency, confidentiality, and reliability with precision in testing. Our prime intention behind founding SRAL is to provide standard and advanced analytical testing services accessible to industries, especially to the micro, small, and medium enterprises to help achieve the competitive edge in present quality-sensitive market. Experienced and highly competent scientists having expertise to accurately execute the standard protocols of regulatory authorities like Bureau of Indian Standards, FSSAI, etc. to enrich customers' testing experience by providing 100% bona fide reports and to provide technical support so that we can contribute to serve our hundreds of clients every year with confidence. We strongly believe and practice that our client satisfaction is our utmost priority.